P, T, Q. SP is the bisector of angle RPT. Where is R? Oh, this is R, not A. RPT. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Suppose this is X. Prove that SQ is equal to SR. SQ is equal to SR. It's very simple. Is this angle exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
So it will be equal to which angle?
SRQ.
SRQ, one step. This angle is X. And how much will be this angle?
Sir, X.
Why?
Angle on same segment RS.
Yes, angle of same segment. Just like angle of same segment. Two steps and another half step, therefore QS is equal to RS. So 2.5 steps. Why I counted half, third step? Because that is asked to prove. So we don't have to do anything. We are concluding that. Which was the other question?
Sir, question number 31.
31. Again the figure is given.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes?
So the one which you are solving is not mentioned in my book.
This kind of figure is not there in your book.
The question and the precise is only not mentioned.
The whole exercise is missing.
Yes, sir. So instead of that, it's given theorem 5 and theorem 6.
But the exercise, these questions you may find are the base numbers all right?
I don't think so.
You check that. It's a new book or old book? Then there will not be any problem. 31. In the new book, very sorry. There is a center O. A is naturally A is the diameter produced. AB is the diameter. Then this point is C, E, D. AD joint, AD joint, OE joint, BE joint. Now, in the given figure, SP is the, in the given figure, O is the center of the circle, angle AOE is 150 degree. DAO 51 degree. DAO is 51 degree. Calculate the sizes of angle CEB. CEB, this angle. OCE, this angle. It is very simple. This angle will be 51. Can you understand that directly? We can get directly. Observe that ADEB is a cyclic quadrilateral. ADEB is a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, this angle which I have marked BEC, marked with a tick mark, that angle will be equal to DAB 51 degree. Opposite interior angle. Remember, it is not the sum of opposite interior angles. Directly it is equal to the opposite interior angle. Alright?
Sir, I may not understand the second one.
Second one means
Angle
just
EC.
now which I have said. This angle, is it the exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral?
Yes, sir.
So it will be equal to the opposite interior angle, that is DAB.
Yes, sir.
Or not? So 51 degree. Got it?
Sir, angle ECB.
I have not explained ECB yet. I have not explained. This angle is calculated 51 in one step. Exterior angle. Angle BEC is equal to angle DAB is equal to 51 degree. Exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Okay. Now, let us use this 150. This is 150. How much will be this reflex angle? Will it
210.
210? So how much will be this angle?
150 is, sorry, sir, it will be 105.
105. And then in triangle ADC, can you calculate the third angle? 105 plus 51
Yes, sir.
is 156. 180 minus 156, 24. Got the second part?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Any other question?
Sir, question number 39.
39. This is good question. Good question. May I clear this one, because it is full of the work. It's the work I have not cleared. See the screen. I'm clearing. You don't need the previous ones.
No, sir.
Question. Which question you said? 39. There is a circle given. is the in-center of triangle ABC. In-center, please be very clear that it is not the center of this circle which we see. Do you know what is the meaning of in-center? Separately, I am explaining. A circle which is drawn inside the triangle, touching all three sides. Center of that angle is called in-center. And the circle which is in this figure, which I have drawn the bigger figure, center of that circle is the circumcenter of triangle ABC, passing through the vertices. And what is the property of in-center, if you remember?
That it bisects the angles.
Yeah. It is the point of intersection of angle bisectors. These two angles equal, these two angles equal, these two angles equal. So, in-center is the bisector of angle. In-center is the point of intersection of the bisectors of that. And therefore, please be careful, don't treat I as the center of this circle. Here, given BAC is 55. This angle is 55. Let us mark the given information. 55. And ACB 65. Can you calculate angle ABC?
Yes, sir.
How much?
60 degree.
60. So this angle, since I have calculated, I am using a different color, 60 degree. That means this is 30, this is 30. Or not?
Yes, sir.
Since I is the in-center of triangle, so BI is the bisector of angle B, and therefore 30-30. Now what we have to find out? DCA. Will this angle be 30 degree?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Angle on the same segment.
Angle on the same segment, correct? Which arc is subtending this angle?
Arc AD.
Arc AD. Always think with arc AD. Think like this. AD is subtending 30 here, so AD will subtend 30 there. Like that. This angle 30 subtended by arc AD, so this is also 30. Then DAC. DAC is subtended by which arc?
Arc DC 30 degree.
Arc DC. Arc DC is subtending some angle at B, and that is 30. So again, angle of the same segment, this time this arc DC. Can you see my fingers?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my finger? Arc DC is subtending 30 here, so arc DC is subtending 30 there. Like this you think on the diagram. So 30 degree. DCI. DCI. How much will be this?
So 60 degree.
Why?
Angle at the center.
I is not the center of the circle. I is the in-center. Okay. This angle is 30 degree. How much will be this angle? This is the main reason for this question. How much will be this? Anyone?
32.5.
Correct. 32.5 or 32 and a half. CI will be the bisector. And this angle is 30 degree. So the exterior angle will be 62 and a half. Got it?
No, sir.
This 32 and a half, you are clear?
Yes, sir.
I is the in-center of triangle ABC. So CI will bisect angle C. AI will bisect angle A. BI will bisect angle B. So since this angle C, whole angle is 65, half of that, 32 and a half. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this angle CID, DIC, this angle which I have marked so many times, is the exterior angle of triangle BIC. One angle is 30 degree, this angle. This is 32 and a half. So the exterior angle will be 32 and a half plus 30, 62 and a half.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now the last part. Angle AIC. AIC. This whole angle. Think of this angle. How much is this?
30 degree.
30 degree. How much is this?
$27.5.
Yes, someone 27 and a half. What is there? Some 30 plus 27 and a half. Is this angle 57 and a half?
Yes, sir.
AID. Again, exterior angle
Yes, sir.
57 and a half. And angle CID we have calculated 62 and a half. Or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you add them, it is coming 120. Alright.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So AIC is 120 degree. This question, especially today only after the class, all of you, once you do in your copy, grammatically once and then please other forget. One similar question was asked in CST, not exactly this, not with so many parts. I think you take 5 minutes. Okay? You need. So take a break for 5 minutes. We will be back at 8:30. Okay. I am moving away from my place, and you should do that. Stretch your body, move, drink water, have a chat with your mom, mummy. बहुत बोरिंग क्लास है, मम्मी बहुत बोरिंग क्लास है, लेकिन करेंगे क्या, मैथ्स पढ़ना ही है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. But some kind of things should be done. Okay, that will give you energy to use another 15 minutes time. Okay. So welcome back. Those two who were absent, I think they are there. Answer was clear. Bhami, are you here? Tell me the next element.
Sir, 48.
48. 48. Very good. Can you tell me the next element?
15.
15. Very good. Can anyone tell me the next element?
So 5 by 6.
5 by 6. Good. Can anyone tell me the next element?
Then 9 by 19.
Correct. 9 by 19, because numerator is increasing by 2 and denominator is increasing by 4. All such series of numbers, they are called a sequence. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Okay. Anyway, we are not having many theoretical things to do. Very easy chapter I am starting. First two are of a special type. Please observe them carefully. First one, 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Every number is in a certain ratio with the previous number. In what ratio the number is increasing?
1:2.
2 is to 1. The number is increasing in the ratio 2 is to 1. If you multiply by 2 by 1 any number, you will get the next number. Okay? This is called a geometrical progression. Geometrical or geometric progression. Alright? And what do you observe in the second one? The numbers are going at a constant difference. Or not? Constant difference. At what difference it is going on? 3. So when we find at a difference of 3 means any element plus 3 will be the next element. Plus 3 will be the next element. Plus 3 will be the next element. Here, such a series of numbers is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression. Progression is common to them. First one is called in short GP. It is the accepted abbreviation. And second one is called AP. Accepted abbreviation. Alright. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have to learn AP and GP separately and not up to the level of class 11. I'm telling you in the beginning that all the questions given in your book are not of your level. Simply copy and paste from class 11 when ABGP was introduced in class 10. The author has simply copied and pasted in class 10 book. So I'll tell you which type of questions you are going to do, and exactly in the exercise also I'll tell you which questions you don't need to do. We have a very limited scope of learning in AP and GP in this class, and in class 11, you know, class 10, their board exams have been cancelled. So yesterday that final information came, and this morning I have given a message. I'm reading that message for you also. You can see. Start with quadratic. Right. Start with quadratic and then AP followed by GP. So these chapters, they can start by themselves because they have enough is prepared in class 10. We prepare a base in class 10 to learn these chapters with details. We have very simple questions, simple things, basic facts, and interesting thing is that AP and GP, the questions are very easy for us. Everyone should get full marks in AP and GP. Alright? So let us come back to AP. AP. I'm giving you one question. Start with 7. Start with 7. And go at a difference go with difference of 4. What will be the first number?
7.
7.
3.
Why 3? It is given start with 7. So start with 7. Go with a difference of 4. So what will be the next element?
11.
11. Next.
15.
15. Next.
19.
19. Next.
23.
23. You can get this AP very easily or not?
Yes, sir.
Like this, we observe that there are 2 constituents of an AP. Constituents means parameters, describing factor, determining factor. With these 2 things, first term, the starting number, this is called first term, which we will represent by In this question, 7. And the value of D,
4.
4. Very good. We have a formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Look at the way of writing Tn. It may be capital T, may be small t. Generally we use small. Like here, if we find T5, what does it mean when we write T5?
Number of terms are 5.
Fifth term. T5, that means fifth term. Okay? Tn means nth term. It is counting from the starting. A is 7. N is 5. See, nth term. So here we are looking for fifth term. And D is how much?
4.
4. So 7 plus 4 into 4, 16, 22. Is the fifth term 23? You count and check.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How this formula has been obtained, we don't need to derive the formula. We need to use only two formula. One formula is this. And another formula I will explain on the next day. But we need to understand. See how this formula has been obtained. Look at the process. When we started with 7, first time we added the common difference, we got 11 or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once again we added the common difference. Second time we added. 2 times we have added. First time we added 7 plus 4, again plus 4. So 2 times we have added.
Yes, sir.
We got the third term. If you add third time, you will get the fourth term. If you add the fourth time, you will get the fifth term. So if you add n minus 1 times the common difference, you will get nth term. See the actual thing, actual situation. When you add for the first time, you get the second term. When you add second time, you get the third term. When you add the third time, the difference, you will get fourth term. When you add fourth term, fourth time, you will get fifth term. When you add n times, you will be getting
N minus 1.
n plus 1th term. One more.
Yes, sir. N plus 1.
Yes, that is why the formula is for nth term. So we have to add n minus 1 times of D to the first term and we will get it. This is simple understanding of this formula. So please take a break. 2 minutes are consumed your break. So I'm leaving the class. Okay. What subject do you have next?
Geography.
So geography.
Geography. Sir. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Or did-
Yes, sir.
Okay.